Now I will show you how I downloaded the Cisco Pocket Tracer. So first, I go to my browser, then search for the Pocket Tracer Cisco Networking Academy. Then I click this one. Click login if you have already an account, and if not, you can just click enroll now. Then sign up today. Click English. Then put on your details and make sure that your email is valid. Then submit. I will not show you anymore how I did those because I have my account already. Then I fill in all the details needed. Then click register. Sign it with my email address. Then I specify my password. Then fill in some more details. Then click create account. Then if you want to launch the course, you can click the launch course, and if not, go to resources, then download the 64-bit Windows version if your PC is Windows. Then install it, just allow the changes and accept all the terms and conditions that Cisco Packet Tracer will require. Then then you have it, the Cisco Packet Tracer. So that's how I downloaded the Cisco Pocket Tracer. So first, make account. To that, verify your account. Then choose download the 64-bit Windows version and then install. That's how I download the Cisco Pocket Tracer. Thank you for watching.